एवरीवन, दिस इज प्रतीक्षा। आई एम वेलकम यू टू माय चैनल। सो हम देख रहे हैं पाइथन फॉर डाटा साइंस सीरीज। सो आज के वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं ऑपरेटर्स इन पाइथन। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज ऑपरेटर. So operators are the symbol or the keyword that used to perform the operations on the operand, that is variable. So we use operator for our Python programming to perform the operations on the variables. So let's see the how many operators in the Python. So there are these are the some operators that we are using in the Python, which is first one is arithmetic operator, comparison operator, assignment operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, membership operator, identity and unary operator. These are operator we'll see in the upcoming videos. हम ये सभी ऑपरेटर आने वाले वीडियोस में देखेंगे. सो आज के वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर. सो अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर इज यूज्ड टू परफॉर्म द बेसिक मैथमेटिक ऑपरेशंस ऑन द वेरिएबल्स in a Python program. So let's see which are the arithmetic operator, which is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, which is floor division, which it will return the quotient with the floor value of that quotient. Modulus, it return the remainder, and exponential, which is return the power of that given base value. So let's see with the example what exactly the arithmetic operator has done. So suppose I am taking a is equal to 10 and b equal to 20, and I'm using arithmetic operation. So first one is I'm taking the addition of these two numbers, so I'll use a plus b, which is our arithmetic operation. So we'll get output as 30. Now we'll see next arithmetic operator, which is subtraction. So a minus b, so we'll get minus 10, output will be minus 10. Now see the multiplication. Print a multiplied by b, will get output 200. Let's see now print a division of b, a divided by b, will get output 0.5. Now we'll see the floor division. So what will get the floor division? Now a floor division of b equal to, here we get 0. So in the floor division we get the only floor value, which is before the decimal point with the floor division. So here we get output 0. So floor division, it will return only the base value or the floor value of that particular quotient. So here another one is a model operator, which is it will return the remainder of a of b, which is 10, a mod b, which is 10. Now we'll see the exponent. So suppose I'm passing a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. So it will return power of 2, 2 raised to power of 3. So we can say we'll get a cube of 2. So print a exponent b, so it will return 2, which is raised to power of 3. So we'll get the, we can say we get the cube of 2. So through the exponent we get the power of that given base value, and this is a is our base value, and this is which is the exponent of that value. So these are the arithmetic operator in a Python, which perform the basic operation on the variable in the Python programming. Now we will see the comparison operator. So comparison operator used to compare the value, and it return the boolean result based on that comparison. So here it compared the value of the variables and it returned the boolean result based on that comparison. So first see, suppose I am passing a equal to 10, b equal to 20, and suppose I want to print is it a equal to b. So here these are comparison operator which is equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. Suppose here a equal to b, because it will return false because our a not equal to b. And suppose I am passing another not equal to, suppose a not equal to b, then it will return true because our a and b are not equal values. Now we see, is the a less than b, then we will get true because our a is less than b. Now greater than a greater than b, is the a greater than b, it will return false because our a is less than b. Now see, either a is less than or equal to b, then we'll get true because our a is less than b. And now either it's a is greater than or equal to b, so it will return false because our a is not greater than or equal to b. These are the Python operators, which is arithmetic and comparison operator. So we have seen in this video. In the next video we'll see the remaining operator, which is assignment and logical operator. So stay tuned. Bye bye.